Nah. 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 I don't know. Not right now. I don't know. Maybe later. Nope. Nah. Nah. Oh, God. Oh, remember that sound? Oh. I don't know. Well, I saw some Amiga stuff back there. Something. What's this? Nah. What about this? Maybe that's it. You're going to become an Amiga. You ready? Hey guys, it's Chris, and even though this has an Apple logo on it, we're going to make it an Amiga-ish machine. This is a Powermac G5 dual. I think it's a 2.0. It might be a 1.8. I don't remember. This is the 55-pound beast you just saw on the old noisy side down there. We got the other MorphOS machine on the bottom down there, and this is its friend that I purchased way long ago. Inside you have Apple's wonderful design. It's a very well put together machine. It runs the dual G5 AltaVec Magic engine, and it's dusty and I think I'm going to sneeze. Inside you have a CD, DVD. You can have wireless. It has this antenna on the back here for your Wi-Fi. Depending on your different graphics options, it either came with an ATI card or something equivalent with an Apple Display port and DVI, or this model is a dual DVI. I believe I bought another card off of it later on. It looks good like this. Removing the plastic air dam, what we're going to do is we're going to put a rotational hard drive back in here because I have a bunch of them, and there's nothing fancy about this. It just has, I think it's 8 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of RAM. Not sure. It's a little dusty. But we're going to, give it a polish and maybe... That's good. And I'm going to go over how to install MorphOS, or MorphOS to you guys in the old Eurozone there, and get it sorted. And I have a key, so this will be a paid version. Otherwise, it's totally functional, yet you are limited to 20-30 minutes a pop, I believe, of usage, and you have to reboot to continue. It has 4 PCI X slots, not to be confused with PCI Express. This is circa 2006, 5, 6, I guess. Don't really know. She's got the old Vardo-looking battery in there, which, yep, it's gonna need to come out. I don't know. Maybe. We'll probably just leave it. It's not leaking. I don't think it's leaking. All I should, in theory, need to do, I'm going to download the latest MorphOS CD. We're going to put a hard drive in here, see what we get. Alright, so here we are. Got a 6 terabyte Western Doohicular, 128 meg of cache, some numbers, and I got myself some different drives. I got a Crucial 250. This is SATA 6, so that's not going to work. I have a 120 SanDisk Plus SATA 6. That's probably going to work. And I found another 160 that is a little bit heavier for some reason than this entire thing. This drive is heavier than all this. It's the exact same thing. I got to try this 6 terabyte though. Wouldn't that be awesome? I know it's not going to work. Western Digital Pro NAS hard drive. Let's see what that does. Alright, so we just turned it on. 6 terabyte Powermac G5. There's no way it's going to see that much space. But it's booting, so we're going to find out. Let's zoom in just a tickle here. Keep it kind of in the frame, because this monitor likes to do some kind of pulsing weirdness, and I don't have a capture card that will hook up to DVI. English American keyboard, okay. Maybe I should plug in this little antenna. Excuse my butt. I don't know which one it is. We'll just say no. Alright, we're going to do MorphOS installation, right? Sound works. United States. Okay, this is Radeon 9600. 1920 by 1200. That's just whatever. Wireless LAN. Let's do that. So I found my Wi-Fi network. I typed my password and I hit next. Now, we're going to do system partition size. 2 gigs. It likes a real small one. So it's only seeing 2 terabytes of this drive. So I'm losing 4 terabytes. Great. 127 gigs. What? So it didn't listen to anything I just told it. Dull. And it's copying a bunch of files down below. It's still copying. It's doing pretty well. It sucks that I'm losing all that space, and it's good that that hard drive works at least. While I'm waiting, I will pick the metal that is stabbing me in the toe out of the carpet. There it is. So that crashed. I'm rebooting again. I put the cover on and it didn't like it when I clicked the cover lock shut, and then it just went nope. So the cover's shut now, and I'm going to do all that again. Well, it was doing something, and I started reading the README file. And if you hear fans increasing, that is what a G5 sounds like when it starts to get hot. Getting hot it is. And this is the same point it got to last time. Had nothing to do with the case. It shut off my USB. Don't know what the version deal is with this thing. But it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. I'm going to grab the Luke Skywalker and we're going to do a temperature check here. Oh boy. Surprisingly, 79 is some change. But listen to that thing. You need to heat up your basement and you're drawing 600 watts of power. Knock yourself out. She's frozen and not working. So let's try it one more time. Holding the old C key down. God, this is a pain in the butt. All I want to do is something simple. Saturday afternoon project. Let's build a new MorphOS machine. Haven't done anything on them in a while. You've only done 2 videos on it. It'll be easy. No, it won't. We're not going to do anything custom, just, well, maybe Wi-Fi. I don't know what it's doing. Let's go through it. Yay. Alright, so it installed, if I leave it alone. Alright, now we're going to restart. Reboot. So SFS can't handle partitions larger than 128 gigs. So this is limited. I don't know what. This just sucks. What time is it? I was supposed to get a beer. Hold on. Alright. Wobble pops are in order. Anyway, let's just hit the button. Let's see if I got a boom or something. I don't know. Let me move this over a little bit. How's that? Uh-oh. She just shut off. Balls. What happened now? Command Option P R. Balls. Shoot. Before I go with the ghost, let's just give it the old, give it to Tanya. See what happens. You never know. Holy crap. Did that just work? I think. If I can get this damn mouse to go in. What way does it go in? First way. Oh my god, look. PRAM's reset. It means the onboard battery's probably dead. But it's booting. I don't know. That was a half a beer. I'm at 1,000. Oh my god. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in building MorphOS, check out one of my older videos. I don't even know if I'm going to edit this thing. Consider this B-roll, bad roll. I don't know. Now I have to take this thing apart and see what the hell's wrong with it. Okay, thanks for watching.